The Trance is every man's mountain bike these days. That said, mountain biking for some people has turned into riding pretty aggressive terrain. To be able to show up at gnarly terrain and ride it really, really properly, I'm stoked with how capable this new Trance is. A big focus for this project was to make the Trance even lighter and even more nimble than it already is. And the big opportunity to achieve this goal came to us in the form of the trunnion mount rear shock that's driving the shock at a lower leverage ratio now. So we've got better small bump compliance, better pedaling support, and lower air pressures in the shock. We saw a lot of people putting longer travel forks on their previous generation Trances and thought, let's just build this around a 150mm travel fork. And I think the bike rides great at 150 up front. I mean, we're riding aggressively on this nice little Trance with that 150 pike. Trance has been taking me on some good rides lately. I've found some pretty inspiring new terrain just by getting tricked into going around that next corner, so thanks, Trance.